that training module, you're going to be able to set your own fault codes. This Electude, like what we use in class, it's going to tell you how to set the board up to start. So you'll set the fault yourself. We'll walk through on your troubleshoot. So set the second circuit to 2. Go ahead and read through that. So switch on the system and study the symptoms of the fault. So go ahead and switch it on. So notice your system didn't do anything that you can tell.
Yeah.
Now, typically in a vehicle, you're not going to have a clear see-through relay.
Yeah.
What can we see
Power's
that?
not going through.
Yeah, I'm not getting anything to the light. Click on the components that's experiencing a visible fault.
Then we have no power at the switch.
Okay, so if I actuate the switch, keep it there, do you notice a difference?
Nope.
Right, but anything that has electricity or uses electricity, at some point you'll have a voltage drop. Where do you think the problem is in these options here? There you go, that's how it should have worked. So here it's going through and walking you through on what you would do after anytime you do any repairs to verify the concern that you actually fixed the cause. Check the operation by switching the lamps on and off several times. Which statement is correct? Do it as fast as you can like a maniac, because that's what your customer's going to do when they get back in. All right.
There you go.
We made it.